Tom Bowen's rise at Cardiff Rugby has been remarkable. At just 20 years old, the winger became the youngest player in the professional era to score a hat-trick for the Blue and Blacks during Cardiff's narrow defeat to Munster, taking a try tally to 6 in only his 6th start. The achievement highlighted his composure, agility and finishing, marking him as one of the brightest young talents in Welsh rugby. Bowen's performances have consistently seized the opportunities given to him, earning recognition not just at club level but also with Wales under-20s. Bowen's pathway has been unconventional but effective. After progressing through Cardiff's youth system, he spent time at Clifton College and had a stint with Bristol Bears. In 2024, he returned to Cardiff on a long-term senior academy contract, a move that has accelerated his development. His blend of speed, agility and finishing ability has allowed him to make an immediate impact in the United Rugby Championship, while also catching the eye of international selectors. Even in a relatively low-scoring match against Munster, Bowen's hat-trick demonstrated his ability to exploit opportunities and deliver when it matters most. Looking forward, Bowen's future is extremely promising. Comparison with Welsh rugby legends, while flattering, underline the potential seen in Bowen rather than defining him. His work ethic, enthusiasm and willingness to learn ensure he is likely to grow and steadily become sustainable within the group. With his agility, high-speed running and instinctive try-scoring ability, Bowen is seen as a player capable of influencing games at the highest level. Cardiff fans can expect him to play a pivotal role in the club's aspirations in the URC, while also potentially breaking into the senior Wales squad in the near future. Bowen's rise exemplifies the success that Cardiff Rugby's youth development programme has, and point to a player with talent, determination and composure to make a lasting impact on both club and international rugby.